Why do park effects change a player's historical baseball standing? Imagine watching a game and thinking a player is unstoppable or not very good, but then realizing the ballpark they play in has a big say in those numbers. That's what park effects are all about. They influence how we see a player's performance over time. Different ballparks can boost or suppress offensive stats like home runs, batting averages, or runs batted in. So, if we don't adjust for these effects, we might get a skewed view of how good a player really is. A park factor is a number that compares how many runs or hits are scored in a specific stadium to the average across all parks. If the number is above 1.0, it means the park favors hitters by helping them score more runs. If it's below 1.0, it means the park is more pitcher-friendly, making it harder to score. For example, Coors Field in Colorado has a high park factor because its high altitude causes the ball to fly farther, leading to more home runs and runs scored. This means players who hit their might look better in raw stats than they actually are. Because players play in different parks, their raw statistics can be misleading. A hitter who plays many games in a hitter-friendly park might seem more powerful than one in a pitcher-friendly park, even if they are equally skilled. To fix this, statisticians adjust the raw numbers using park factors, which helps to compare players fairly regardless of where they play. These adjustments normalize stats to a neutral environment, making it easier to see who is truly performing well. Calculating park factors involves looking at how many runs are scored at home versus on the road, while also considering the quality of opponents and the number of games played. More advanced methods include analyzing batted ball data like exit velocity and launch angle, which helps refine the park factors further. These detailed calculations help reduce the influence of random factors like weather or day-to-day changes in the ballpark. Over time, ballparks have changed in size, shape, and altitude, which impacts gameplay. Without adjusting for these differences, a player's career stats could be unfairly inflated or deflated. For example, a slugger who played in a small, hitter-friendly park decades ago might have better raw numbers than a similar player in a larger, pitcher-friendly park. Adjustments help reveal their true talent levels, regardless of where they played. Modern baseball stats like weighted runs created plus and earned run average minus include park adjustments. These metrics give a clearer picture of performance by removing the influence of the ballpark environment. This way, analysts, teams, and fans can compare players across different eras and stadiums more accurately. In the end, park effects change a player's historical standing because they alter the context of their stats. Adjusting for these effects ensures that we see the player's skill, not just the environment they played in. It makes comparing players from different times and places fairer and more meaningful.